Hi, welcome to What's Up with DJ Now. Today we're making Mexican Tater Tot Casserole. The ingredients will be linked in the description of the video. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to be doing 1 pound of ground beef with 1 small onion and 1 clove of garlic minced. And we're going to go ahead and cook this in a pan until it's nice and browned with the ground beef and the onion and the garlic. We're going to put in 1 package of taco seasoning, or 1/4 of a cup of taco seasoning. And we're going to give that a good stir. It's just like when you're making taco meat. You're going to basically make your taco meat and get it all nice and browned up with your onion and your garlic. And then I'm going to be putting in 1 can of pinto beans drained of their juices. You could use kidney beans or black beans, any kind of beans you'd like. I'm going to be putting 1 small can of sliced black olives. And then any of these ingredients are optional, so if you don't like olives, you can leave them out. You can also put in other things that you might like. The recipe you can put a can of corn that you would like, if you'd like it, make it more like a Tex-Mex. I don't really like having the corn in it, so I leave the corn out. But you can put 1 can of drained corn as well. And we're just going to stir that up. And then we're going to put in 1 small 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. Excuse me. And again, if you don't like those, you can leave them out. All the ingredients are optional. I'm just showing you the way that I do it. And we're just going to stir this together and heat it up. And that's just a picture of how it's looking as it's cooking up. Now you're going to take a 9x13 pan and we're going to spray it with some cooking spray. And we're going to dump our mixture right inside the pan, the casserole dish. At this point, you could use any kind of dish you'd like to put it in. It fits well in this. I'm going to be cooking it in the oven today. However, this recipe can go right into your air fryer, so I will be including all of the information for both. Now we're going to take our cheese. And we're using about a 16-ounce bag of shredded Mexican, I'm using cheddar jack cheese. We're going to take about a cup and a half or so of the cheese, and we're going to mix it into the mixture. And we'll keep the remaining cheese for the top. So we're just going to mix in a little bit of the cheese. We're going to take tater tots that are frozen. I've taken 4 cups of tater tots. And then we're going to use a 10-ounce can of enchilada sauce of your preference. Pour in a little bit in there, and we're going to go ahead and give it a good mix. And make sure and keep those tater tots frozen until you're putting them in here at this part. You want them frozen because we're going to be cooking this in either the oven or the air fryer. As I said, I'll give you both temperatures and times after we get this all ready. Now we're going to take the rest of the enchilada sauce and just put it in and mix it all up. And we're going to flatten out this the ingredients in there, just kind of flatten them all nice and even. And then we're going to take the remaining cheese and put that on top. Now you can do as much or as little cheese as you prefer. To me, there's never too much cheese, so I used, a good amount of cheese. I shredded it up myself, but you can buy the pre-shredded cheese if you prefer to make it easier. So just put that all on the top. Just like when you make enchiladas, we're just going to put that final layer at the top. Okay, and then this is how it looks when you got it all ready for the oven or the air fryer, either one. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get this in the oven, and here's the time and temperatures for the air fryer or the oven. Okay, now we're back, and this is our finished dish, all nice and melted on the top. It's hardened up from cooking, and then you can just simply cut and scoop this out on your plate. You can eat this alone just with a fork or a spoon as a casserole, or you could put some tortilla chips on the side and then use the tortilla chips to kind of dip up and use kind of as a hot dip. It's really your preference, whatever you'd like to do. But today I was just going to go ahead and eat it like a casserole. This is a quick, easy dish. It's compatible for the air fryer and the oven, and it's easy to put together. So I hope you liked watching this, and please like and subscribe to my channel. That would really help. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.